Are you one of those people that have difficulty of saying no to others because you're immediately thinking, what are they going to think about me? I don't want to hurt their feelings. Yeah, I know, the whole people-pleasing thing. How they feel is none of your business, okay? How you feel, that's your business. And before you start rolling, eyes at me and running off, I am not saying that you need to go around and hurt people on purpose. No, I'm talking about where somebody feeling bad about something and then you become this jokester. Nothing, no peace can be in any relationship on your expense, okay? You can help them, but you cannot make them feel anything. You cannot control other people. I'm talking about more of those boundaries and how to set up the time boundaries, respect boundaries in my video. So go check out, just click on the link or go to my channel, Be Amazing You.